We are covering here Islam Fest 2026 in Richmond, Jama Masjid. There's a big area here where they have had a good, what you call it, it's a good area where people are coming. At night time, I think it'll be more active because lots of shopping and food and everything is here. What do you call it? This a food truck is here as well. And there's another king of the Kadak chai. And then we have so many food stalls here. So we are just going to give you a glimpse of the food stalls here. Lots of. Chalo. Yeah, we thought we'll just come here and cover the Islam Fest here, and the people from different walks of life from over 156 countries, people are here. Yeah. This Muslim guy is selling janamaz all the time. Last time I bought it from him. Yeah, there are abayas and many things here. Yeah, let's see. Another one. And there's a play castle at the back for the kids. Look at this. Okay, we have covered our Islam Fest from Richmond Masjid.